What's up YouTube? It's Alex Combow here, owner, CEO, and graphic designer of Snowbound Apothecary. Today I want to talk to you guys about finding your calling, finding your life purpose. So bring out your notebooks and just hang out with me today. This is maybe the most important thing that you need to know for your business. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Question: are you falling downhill? Are you tumbling and tumbling and tumbling downhill, constantly going down? Is your momentum going in the wrong direction? Do you know why this is? This is because you are not following your calling. Now let me paint you a picture, okay? I'm just gonna slowly paint you a picture. 7 years ago, I was living with my parents. But 7 years ago, I was happy, I was financially, I was emotionally, I was spiritually stable. I was good to go, man. I was good to go. Why? Because at that point in time, I was following my calling. 6 years after that, over the continuous period of time for those 6 years, I was falling and falling and falling and falling and falling and falling and falling, gaining momentum, going downhill, going down. I couldn't stop falling. I couldn't stop going down. It just felt like no matter what happened, I kept getting hit and I kept going down and down and down. And it felt like even the things that I wanted to do, that I felt like I was supposed to be doing, it wasn't fulfilling me. It wasn't. There was no sense of fulfillment at all. For music, man, I love music. You see this? This is my baby. This is the first guitar I ever owned. I love music. But music isn't my calling anymore. Your callings change. They're constantly changing like you change. Man, I'm not the same person I was 7 years ago. I'm not even close to the same person I was 7 years ago. Over time, you change. And your callings, they adapt, they evolve. My calling today is 100% different than it was back then. So I kept going downhill. And downhill and downhill, and finally, I hit a rock. And I was like, oh, what am I doing with my life? And it's like a big voice came up to me and said, you are not doing what you're supposed to be doing. You're not moving the direction that you need to be going. This is what you need to be doing, stupid. This is what you need to be doing. Get on this route. So I got on that route a year ago. I started getting on this route and was like, okay, great, I'm doing what I need to be doing, but it still doesn't feel right. Why doesn't it feel right? Because you're gonna get little snippets of your calling. It's just gonna come in little bits and pieces, and you're gonna have to piece together what it is that you're supposed to be doing in life. But every time you get thrown a bone, every time you figure out this one little thing about your calling, your purpose, what you're going to be doing is gonna feel so much more fulfilling. It's like you just got a little piece of a drug, right? You just got a piece of, wow, this is life. I feel like I'm living. And then your calling adapts, but you're still so set. Your eyes are so tunnel vision forward on that calling, what you were doing before, that you don't see that it needs to change, or you're not gonna feel fulfilled again because your calling changed. So what you're doing needs to change. Life purpose is not just one set thing. It's constantly changing, constantly. And everybody has a different calling, so you can't just look at somebody's calling and be like, that's what I need to be doing. I need to go own a small house in the wilderness, be minimalistic, own nothing, and just chill out and be a guru and live in Zen all the time. No, that might not be your calling. Your calling could be to go out there and change 1 million lives by becoming a billionaire and giving countless money to charity. That could be your calling. It's the stark contrast to that other calling. Everybody is different. What I implore you to do is to find people, authors, YouTube artists, it doesn't matter. Find people with a similar calling to you, with a similar mindset to you. As Gary Vaynerchuk says, a similar DNA to you, a similar genetical makeup. Find these people, listen to their messages, and try to not mimic their personalities, but kind of mimic what they do, the way they approach things. It doesn't mean that Because the person that has a similar mentality to you is in the shoe business, that doesn't mean you need to get in the shoe business. Who knows? You could be selling cars. You could be selling sundials. Who knows? I don't know. Only you know what your calling is. Only you. And you could stop tumbling for a second, grab a branch, and just sit there. It may seem like it's better than tumbling, but it's not. So let me help you get to the point where you're turtling up the hill instead of falling down. And then maybe you can get to the point where you're actually walking up the hill. I got one trick. That's all. There's one point in this video today. This is the one trick to finding your calling. Ready? One word, one trick, one awesomeness. Meditation. Stop. Take a second. Just breathe. Inhale. Exhale. This is it, man. This is the golden egg. This is the golden goose egg. This is the holy grail. This is what you've been looking for. Meditation. This is your business plan. 10 minutes a day meditating. This is gold, man. This is what you are looking for. This is the secret. If you spend 10 minutes a day meditating and not thinking about anything, then you are going to be able to push aside all of your problems for those 10 minutes and come back completely renewed. Some people take smoke breaks, some people take coffee breaks, some people just go to the water cooler and have conversations with people. When you take your 10-minute break at work, meditate. Think about nothing, just existence. And when you come back, the answers to your problems are going to seem so much easier. It's going to seem like they were right in front of you the whole time, and they were. But your mind was just chattering away. You could not hear your problems trying to talk to you because your mind was being so loud. Your problems will tell you what the answer is if you listen. And this might sound like some hippy-dippy crap, but it's not. This is the answer you've been looking for. I'm telling you, man, this is your business plan right here. Take time, stop, slow down, think about nothing, meditate. Your answer is not going to come to you all at once about your life purpose. I'm going to be honest with you. It could take a year before you even get one little bone thrown at you. But if you're meditating and your focus is getting set, you're starting to get that laser focus, then this speeds up the process for you. 1 year of meditating to find your purpose could save you 5 years of falling down the hill and getting your head banged up on every single rock that you're going for. And the thing about it is this: if you constantly are meditating, if you're constantly living and doing nothing and just living in that existence of just being, then when your life purpose changes, since your mind won't be chattering away and saying, this is what I need to do to stay online with this focus, I don't understand, like, why am I not feeling fulfilled anymore? Since your mind won't be chattering away, then you'll be able to notice sooner that your purpose is changing. And you'll be able to learn more about who you are and why it is that this fulfills you. This could make you money. But if your purpose isn't money, that doesn't matter. This can make you money. This can make you friends. This can make you real world connections with people that you don't even think that you would get connections with. So please, the one thing that I am a strong advocate for is meditation, no matter who you are. Your focus can always be sharpened. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if meditation has helped you, or if you just think that this video is just a load of crap and it's not going to do you any good. Comment, let me know. I want to know. I want to hear what you have to say. If you think my editing sucks, let me know. I want to know. I want to hear what you have to say. I will see you guys on Thursday. Thank you guys for watching.